Hi, this is Mark from Redline Detection. I'm here today with Diesel Progress. We're going to talk about high pressure leak technology. It's the simplest solution for your after treatment problems. So when we're talking about high pressure leak technology, we have to refer to Technology Maintenance Council's newest recommended practice, number 375. RP 375 offers diagnostic testing and preventative maintenance guidelines to maximize the reliability, safety, performance, and efficiency of engine systems while reducing costs to the end user. The document provides guidance in how to use high pressure and low pressure visible vapor technology to pinpoint unmetered, unfiltered air leaks. So when I say low pressure, that is 0 to half a pound of pressure. High pressure is considered anything over half a pound up to 20 psi. So this RP in depth describes how to use this technology to benefit your fleets, whether it be leak detecting intake and exhaust systems for optimum performance of the engine, performance of the after treatment systems on these engines, finding wind and water leaks and carbon monoxide infiltration in the cabins. It goes across the board. This RP 375 describes all those leak points in the vehicle. To do a high pressure leak test is very simple with the Redline products. Seal off the intake, seal off the exhaust with the provided power intake adapters, and put the visible vapor in under pressure and simply watch for the leaks to appear. If no leaks found, then you don't have a problem. Unmetered, unfiltered air leaks, if left undiscovered, lead to drivability performance issues, including engine check lights, excessive fuel consumption, carbon monoxide poisoning, and increased after-treatment repair and maintenance expense. But you can see the vast majority of these problems were simple fixes. V-clamps, clamps, gaskets, simpler things other than the turbo and the charge air cooler. A lot of this is due to lack of maintenance, or maintenance that was done that was actually created a problem and not solved the problem. So it's imperative that you leak detect, leak inspect the intake and exhaust system as part of a preventive maintenance program, but you want to re-inspect after you do a repair to verify you have no more leaks. This tool, simple to use, simple to operate, no problems in finding all those leaks you ever want to find. Thank you for watching this video on high pressure leak technology on Diesel Progress.